Hello, this is Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. We are going to focus on the most common word of English language, the. We have already made a lesson on the uses of indefinite article a or an. Now we are going to talk on the uses of definite article the. So let's start. Definite article the to talk about something that we have already mentioned. I have bought a book. The book is written by Rabindranath Tagore. When I am using the book, that means the speaker and the listener have already talked about a book. We use the to mean enough. With have, make, get. I don't have the money. That means I don't have enough money. Can you make the time to prepare a birthday cake? Here, the time means enough time. Can you make enough time to prepare a birthday cake? Here I can get the shops to select the best. The shops means enough shops. Here I can get enough shops to select the best. We use the with superlative adjective. My daughter is the tallest girl in her class. Tall is an adjective. Tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is superlative adjective. That's why we use the tallest. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Something that is only one or unique. The moon. Earth has only one moon. The president of USA. USA has only one president. The king of Britain. Britain has only one king. We use the before names of holy books. The Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Famous building, the Taj Mahal, the Lotus Temple, the Parliament House. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas, not with a single mountain or peak. It must be mountain ranges. Group of islands, the Andaman Islands. We also use the before names of country which are union of small states. The USA, United States of America, is a union of many small states. The UK, before names of ships, the Titanic, aeroplanes, the Air India, deserts, the Sahara rivers, the Ganga, oceans, the Pacific Ocean. We also use the before adjectives used as plural noun or a group of people. This fund must be used for the poor. The poor means the poor people, not one person or an individual person. The rich of this country could support the victims. The rich means a group of rich people. So we have learned about the uses of definite article the. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Next day we will talk on the zero article. So stay with us and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.